Hey guys, geek into everyone. On this video, I'm going to tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 16. So let's start. So today is day number 16, and first of all, let's check my plan. Okay, the day number 16, generators and iterators, writing and using generator functions and iterators. So I'm going to copy this topic and go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to provide information about this topic with detailed examples. Okay, I paused it and I remove day number 16 and I add extra information about detailed examples. Okay, here we go. I press enter and we are waiting for reply from ChatGPT bot. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT finished replying. Okay, I'm zoom it in. Okay, generators and iterators are important concepts in programming, particularly in Python. They allow you to work with large sequences of data efficiently by generating or iterating over the elements on demand rather than loading the entire sequence into memory at once. In this response, I'll provide an overview of generator functions and iterators and give detailed examples for better understanding. So point number 1, generator functions. Generator functions are special functions that use the yield keyword to produce a series of values. When a generator function is called, it returns an iterator object, which can be used to iterate over the generated values one at a time. Here is an example of generator function that generates a sequence of even numbers. So you see here is an example. In this example, even numbers is a generator function that takes a parameter n, this one, and generates even numbers from 0 to n. Okay, it's a range. When the function encounters the yield keyword, it temporarily suspends its execution and produces the current value. The next time the function is called, it resumes from where it left off. The next time the function is called, it resumes from where it left off. To use the generator function and iterate over the generated values, you can create an iterator object using the function call syntax, and then use the next, I highlight the text, function or a for loop to retrieve the values. Here is example. Okay, you can see the example here. Iterators. Iterators are objects that implement the iterator protocol, which consists of two methods. I highlight the text. First method, iter, and next method, next. So the iter method returns the iterator object itself, and the next method returns the next value of sequence or erases a stop iteration exception if there are no more elements. Here is an example of creating a custom iterator class that generates a sequence of Fibonacci numbers. Okay, you see the example here. In this example, Fibonacci iterator class define the iter and next method. Okay, the iter and next method, and there is a class Fibonacci iterator. The init method initializes the starting values for the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, this init method, called a constructor sometimes. And the next method generates the next Fibonacci numbers until the limit is reached. Okay, this method, next method. Okay, to use the iterator, you can create an instance of the class and iterate over it using a for loop or the next function. Okay, you see here, we create an object of this class, and then we use a for loop to iterate the sequence. This will generate Fibonacci numbers up to 100 and print them one by one. Generators and iterators are powerful tools for working with large data sets of or infinity sequences because they allow you to generate and consume value on the fly, saving memory and improving performance. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.